can talk. Believe it or not, I got him to talk. I've tried for years to get a cat to talk. I finally got this one to talk. It took me a while to figure him out, but I have figured him out, and I want to share it with everybody. Alright, there's the cat. Mater is his name.
Mato.
Mato? That's his name. I call him Mater. Come here. Come talk to people.
What you want?
You want some food? Is he hungry? Is he hungry? When are you hungry? I'm going to have to talk to him some more. Hang on, he's all messed up. Say something, dummy. When do you want to eat? Now? Oh, okay. See, he said it. He said it. Like I said, I never really realized what he was saying until now. If you really listen to him, he's saying now. So, I figured him out. He talks. When do you want to eat? When do you want to sleep? When do you want to go out? Did you hear him? Did you hear? Listen, listen. When do you want to go outside? He talks. Yeah, you do.